Well, I'm up here on the roof. Just finished cutting a hole in a perfectly good solid roof so I can put the fan in. That was nervous. Yeah, anyway. I framed it out on the inside with some 1x1 wood before, get that opening all squared up and attached to the aluminum framework. Then I drilled a couple holes up through the bottom, gave me some indexing, threw some lines in there with some tape, and then just cut it out real quick with the grinder. So ready for the fan to go in. Okay, I've set the flange in now. I marked all the way around it with a marker, and then I drilled all the holes in it. So you can see where it's marked, where all the holes go. And now I just got to put some sealant on, put that piece back in, and screw it down. So here it is all finished, all sealed up. Got the self-leveling caulk on there and everything. I like this one because it's really low profile. When it's off, it's like super sleek. When it turns on, it pops back up about another 6 inches taller. So from the inside, this is what it looks like. So you can see I put some, the wood bracing in there to bridge across to support that. And then the fan just drops right down in there. This one has a remote control and everything, which is pretty cool too, so you don't have to reach up to the ceiling to turn it on and off. And I've got some insulation started in here now along the roof. Got the first layer of that in there. Got a bunch more to cut.